This is Leaf Exotic 11829. Let's do this. Good luck to all. Let's randomize our 6 things. Again, if there is someone from the entertainment realm, they will go to the all other sports. All right, 5 times. Here we go. Where's random? Okay, that's not the... Oh, Jesus. Did I do something? All right, 5 times. Here we go. Let's try that one more time. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the all other sports. Wrestling, UFC, boxing on the bottom. That's 5 times. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots in this one. There is another one up if anybody wants to get involved. Here we go. It's for the baseball spot, the Armadillo to 5, Johnny Bench. Who's got the baseball spot? Spot 3, Justin Crisp. Congratulations. All right.